To add an alternate contact to a patient file, head into the patient browser to find the patient file you would like to add an alternate contact to. You can highlight the patient name and select Open, or double-click on the patient name to open their file. Head to the Details tab in the patient file, and there is an additional sub-tab for the alternate contact. Any information that is mandatory for the alternate contact will show with an asterisk next to it. First and last name is required, and as well as the relationship to the patient. You can mark this patient as the primary contact, as well as enter in any additional information such as the billing address and phone numbers. Once you have entered in the information, select Update. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have.